Holy shit. These are quarter size balls of hail. I'm gonna point at the lake.
Oh my gosh, look, you can see all the hail hitting the water.
Yeah. Holy shit, look at that. It is tearing up the lake. Wow.
Well, that'll stir the fish up.
Holy crap. Right?
We're gonna lose half our fish to fucking ice.
Honestly.
They're not gonna know what hit them. That's literally golf balls.
Holy crap. Hold on. Is there a tornado? Holy shit. Oh my god.
Our window!
Oh man. Holy crap. Oh.
Yeah.
That's golf ball size.
It's gonna scratch up our window.
Yeah. Well, that's why I put it on the blanket on the truck. Hopefully that'll stop some of the damage. Yeah. That's what happens when God plays golf. Yeah. Yeah. There's leaves flying everywhere. Well, Dad, I covered the truck up the best I could. Look at that. Oh, my poor roof. Oh. Come on. What? I know. Oh my god. Yeah. Record this. I want to see if I can put my hand in it without not hurt myself. Alright. Ow! Ow! Dang!
Ow! That looks like it hurt, baby.
Huh?
Looks like it hurt.
Yeah. Wow.
I want to catch one so I can eat it.
Oh, it's done now.
Oh, slowing down?
Yeah, check it out.
I want to catch one so I can eat it.
It hurts. It's like someone throwing rocks at you.
It's ice. Wow. Oh no!
What?
I think the golf ball.
Oh yeah. Man, that was fun. I'm in my socks, but I'm gonna go grab one quick. Here, can you keep it open for me? It's still coming down. Wow.
Where are you going?
Getting some golf balls. Here. Yeah, they're quarter size.
Recording.
Oh yeah, sorry. Oops. Yeah, they're pretty big, quarter size pieces. Wow, glad they're not golf or softball size. Well, here's the rain we were asking for.
Right?
Yeah, it's like dime size now. Wow, that was fun. Oh, I just hit my camera. Jeez. Ow.
Sort of hailing and Buddy ran away from the window.
Yeah, it's scary. Oh man.
It is scary.
I'm
Watch
really,
ice fall.
really glad I covered up my truck. That could have been some really bad hail damage. I mean, it still might have damaged it, but we'll see.
I'm just worried about our vehicles.
Yeah, I think, look at the radar. Is it missed Bemidji? Yeah. Oh yeah, Nebish. Yeah, it's missing Bemidji, so our vehicles are fine.
Where is the
See like Bemidji?
Alright, enough of that.